Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Um, Today is Tuesday, July the 7th, and I just wanted to jump on here. I just got this package in the mail, and I ordered this on April the 23rd, and I'm just now getting it today. It is from Paint with Diamonds. I would say it's Happy Mail, but I know that I'm probably going to be a little ticked off because I ordered this when I first started diamond painting. So I had no clue how the whole sizing of the canvas, the detail of the canvas, the pixelation of the canvas, I had no idea about any of that. So I seen these, thought they were cute, and ordered them. They're small, and there's a lot of detail in them. And I have really kind of dreaded opening them since a week after I purchased them. So I am going to pause this right now because I'm still doing this one-handed. And I'm going to open this and I'm going to get them out and we will look at them. Be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and took everything out of the bag, laid it out, because I'm still only doing this with one hand. So I have two kits. So you get your little pamphlet. It says Paint with Diamonds, and on the inside it is just letting you know how to diamond paint if you are a beginner. So it also has the Facebook group, their support group, their Instagram, and their webpage. So you get this. And like I said, I have two kits, so I got two of these. They are both exactly the same. That's why I went ahead and laid one out to show everybody what was in it. So you get a large wax, or, well, actually it's just two pieces together. You get your tray with a spout. You get a 9-placer, and these are the nice ones because they're the thin, solid white. You get your pen with the squishy, and it has a 4-placer on it. And then you get these heavy-duty metal tweezers, and they are the ones with the points, so try not to stick yourself. Okay, so we'll set that to the side. Alright, so here's the first one. Hopefully it'll zoom in. There we go. And it is a butterflies. And this is the second one. And like I said, I have absolutely, I don't know. I already know that these are not going to come out the way that they should. So, alright, well, let's open them up. Okay, so I'm back. And I went ahead and opened these up, opened them both up, flattened them out. They were both on these foam roller things. They are both squares. They are both the double-sided adhesive. And like I said, I was a newbie. So I have actually already measured the canvas, as far as the drill section of the canvas, and they are true to what it says. The drill field is a 20 by 15 on this itty bitty teeny tiny one. I also busted a bag of drills. So, I looked at them. These, I mean, they actually, the drills look really good. And the good thing about this, if really the only good thing about this, is that they are DMC in the bag. So, I mean, that's a good thing. But anyway, like I said, this has 29 colors, and it is a 20 by 15 centimeters. There's the thumbnail. If it were bigger, it would probably be really pretty. But with it being so small, it is really, really, I don't know, it just, the drill field looks good as far as, being able to see. This is really hard with one hand. It is very sticky, so that's okay. But there we go. This is what it's gonna look like. Ooh, sorry about the glare, y'all. But there it is. Newbie, beginner, mistake. Live and learn. Live and learn. But let's see. I can get down here, and drill field is good and clear. No problem in that. And like I said, the quality of the drills is good. The canvas itself is good. It's just, really, I can't really complain with this company either, other than how long it took to get here. But we do have a pandemic going on, and I do understand all of that. Other than that, this is all my fault with the size, so this is on me. But here's the other one. That's what it's supposed to look like. DMC numbers. There's 40 colors in this, and it is a 20 by 30 centimeter. And again, there's a little wrinkling on the bottom here, but it really didn't affect my canvas. And the canvas, well, it looks better than the other one, so really can't say anything about that. The other one's just so small. But again, sorry about the glare. Drill field. It all looks pretty good. Pretty clear. And at least this one's a little bit better as far as, being able to see. And then again, like I said, this is my fault for being a newbie and, not knowing what I know now. So, like I said, the drills all look good. I'm not going to take time out to pull all of them out because now I'm going to have to figure something out about all these anyway. Where I busted the big bag that they came in. Just go grab a big old sandwich bag and just shove them all in there. So anyway, I just wanted to jump on here, being that I've been waiting all this time to get these 2 kits in the mail. Like I said, I knew what it was going to be when I got them. But I just wanted to show y'all the paint with diamonds. And you learn by your mistakes. So, no more teeny tiny itty bitty baby ones. I've learnt my lesson. So, hope y'all have a good day. Or the rest of y'all's day. Bye. Also, I want to jump right back on here and show y'all, because I'm learning how to do these. I have watched tons and tons and tons of these YouTube channels on these unboxings, unbaggings. It's just once I get on here, I forget what to show y'all, and I forget that some of these people are new, like I was at one time. So I just wanted to show y'all. Here's the codes. So the codes is what's going to correspond to the canvas. The DMC numbers will correspond with the code numbers, or the codes, whatever they may be. So that's what color that the code's going to be. And the quantity over here is how many of that particular DMC color that you're going to need to complete the canvas. So that is what the quantity shows, or what the quantity means, rather. But I wanted to point that out because not all canvases have the quantity. Heck, not all canvases have the DMC color. So when you find one that has both the DMC and the quantity, that's great, because like I said, not all canvases, not all companies print that. So I just want to jump back on here and explain that. Bye.